Hey G Squad, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this, what I call from the rooter to the tutor soup. And this is basically, I'm combining leftover as well as new ingredients, and I'm just making a big pot of vegetable soup. So if you would like to see how I put this soup together, then keep on watching. Family, so here's everything laid out here. So in this bowl right here I have some fresh garlic I'm going to use. I have I guess a medium to large, nice size medium onion. I have green and red bell pepper. I have some celery, zucchini. Then I have 3 nice sized carrots I'm going to add in the soup. Then I have my mushrooms, and then I have some leftover corn, as well as some black beans I'm going to throw in this pot. And then I have 2 cans of these diced tomatoes. I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to use both cans or not. And then I have some, a full container of vegetable stock, and then I have some leftover vegetable broth. I'm going to combine both of those, and they're going in the pot. As far as the seasonings, I have black pepper, some adobo all purpose. I have the, what is this, the pink Himalayan salt. I have that. I have my complete seasoning, of course. And then I have some basil, dry basil leaves. I also have some extra virgin olive oil here to saute some of these vegetables before I add them in the pot. And then I have this nice moist, it's called multi-grain loaf bread that I picked up. I mean, when I tell you this bread, nice and soft, so I'll probably be heating this up and adding some butter on it to pair it with it towards the end. So yeah, so that's pretty much everything. So now I'm going to go ahead and start getting this all diced and sliced in. Yeah, G Squad. So I present to you this bowl of goodness, my rooter to the tutor soup, and I paired it with this toasted butter bread, and yeah, y'all. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Once again, I truly enjoyed, cooking this dish and sharing it with you, fam. And if you try it, let me know. So please, on your way out, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment below, and I look forward to seeing y'all in the next video. Stay positive, blessed, and uplifted. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye.